This is for my babies.
Hey everyone, as you can tell from the title of the video, today I'll be showing you how to achieve maximum hydration using products from Fortifyd Naturals. Maximum hydration starts with clean hair. Hydrating products and conditioners cannot reach the innermost layer of the hair shaft if there is dirt or oil blocking it. So the first thing we're going to do today is clarify. Because I've used products that contain silicones in the last few months, I am using a sulfate shampoo to clarify my hair. I am using the Suave Professional's Almond and Shea Butter shampoo. If you are someone who never uses products with silicones or petrolatum or mineral oil, you do not have to do this. You can just use a clarifying sulfate-free shampoo, or you can do a bentonite clay mask to completely detox your hair. But regardless, if this is your first time using Fortifyd Naturals products, I highly suggest that you clarify your hair beforehand.
Don't even try for real, perfect as you are. You don't have to change, 'cause baby, our love is.
I am only going to shampoo with this once and then rinse it all out.
You couldn't see the natural things that I love about you.
For my second lather, I'll be using the Fortifyd Naturals Sage Infused Black Soap Shampoo.
And even if you let go, take a break from your favorite stilettos.
The consistency is pretty runny, but the applicator nozzle makes it really easy to apply it directly to my scalp and also work it down the length of my hair. Key ingredients include olive oil, which is a natural conditioner, and peppermint and tea tree, which made my scalp feel all cool and tingly, which is one of my favorite features in a shampoo. This product is pH balanced, antibacterial, and antifungal, and it did not strip my hair whatsoever. Fortifyd Naturals has two deep conditioners to choose from, their growth enhancing moisture therapy and their strengthen and repair reconstructing deep conditioner. The moisture therapy has been bae for a while now, so I thought that it was time to give the deep conditioner a chance. It has a nice medium thick consistency, but it still spreads very easily, and due to the high amounts of cocoa butter and peppermint, it smells exactly like mint chocolate chip. This is not one of those deep conditioners that you have to apply heat to activate. As soon as I applied this to my hair, I could feel it dissolving into my strands and working. The size of the bottle was a little intimidating at first, but I did not need to use much to get all of my hair coated and detangled, and in the end I only used less than 1/4 of the bottle to cover my entire head. Once I have finished all of my sections, I'm going to cover my hair with 2 plastic caps and let this sit for an hour. After 2 hours have passed, I'm ready to rinse the remaining deep conditioner out of my hair. There isn't much left to rinse out because most of it has absorbed into my hair, and that is how I know the deep conditioner has done its job. For those of us who struggle with dry hair, our first defense mechanism is always moisture. But the truth is, if you want to fight dry hair, you need a protein-moisture balance. This product did an amazing job at hydrating and softening my hair while also giving me just enough strength to increase manageability and reduce breakage. I think it's safe to say this is one of my favorite products. Stay tuned for the second half of the video where I will show you guys how I style my hair after this wash day. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.